back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We have iced coffee. I have to go to work today, but I want to get this done. I ordered the Wantable, which one? An active edit, because, you know, I want to start, you know, being more active. So it's their birthday active edit. So like the style one, they had a birthday active one too. So let's open her up. If you haven't tried Wantable before and you'd like to, I'll leave my referral link down below and a description down below all about Wantable. They send you 7 items. We're gonna open her up with our trusty rusty screwdriver. Here we go. Oh man, okay, here we are. I don't wanna go to work today, but you know, what's new? It's fine. I'm expecting a lot of boxes this week and I wanted to not, you know, do them all on one day. So let's see. Wantable. It says styled for Rachel. It is kind of a cute little touch that they have like actual stickers with your name on them. We're gonna break the box down. My husband actually took like all my empty boxes. I was very excited. So now it's time to start a new collection. If I'm nice, I'll just, you know, do what's right and not leave them up here. My dog's barking. Sorry. I rolled backwards to like look out the window, but I don't see anything so far. Hang on. The mail came. So I got my Stitch Fix and a D&Co box as well. So, okay. Anyway, back to the Wantable. Here's our bundle. She's pretty. She feels pretty soft. Very moisture wicking. Okay. Here, open her up. He took my stuff, so I don't have a bag to throw my innards in. You get it. Okay. There's a note. Oh, okay. This is about their birthday. They were sending out, you know, 10 golden tickets, each worth $1,000 to Wantable. I don't see one, so wasn't me. No golden ticket. All right. Hi, Rachel. So excited you're joining in on all the birthday fun. It's a true honor to have you as a customer and a friend of Wantable. I can't wait to see what you gravitate towards and what you want to see more of. I am loving all of the pieces that you have requested. I did request them. These pieces are going to bring in all of the newness that you deserve. Hope you love your birthday box. With fall not too far away, I was mindful to send you pieces you can wear now and layer later. Be sure to let me know what you love. Blah, 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 blah. Madison. Thanks, Madison. They send you back the mailer. Ooh, she's teal. They were sending like kind of peach ones. Maybe the active ones are a different color. That could be. The bag says miss you already. That's a little passive aggressive. That's fine. All right, so the first thing we have is this cute workout top. It's got holes in it, you know, for like your sweat. I'm sure it's not for your sweat, but it's just like a fun little detail. Workout tank. I think that's really cute. And we have a sports bra, which is also really cute. I hope it fits. I don't know if I'll be showing you this, but I'll let you know. It'll be under my clothes, so whatever. It does have a pretty high neckline though, so we'll see. But it's really pretty. The backs have crisscross straps, so you could wear it, you know, by itself. You don't have to wear something over it. I think, did I request most of these things? Maybe. Here's just a plain little yellow crop tank. Working out. I've been doing the Fitness Marshall on YouTube. He's just so funny. I don't know if you guys watch him. He's on TikTok too. He's hilarious. Ooh, my hair's deflating already. Here's one of their, okay, so like in the style box, they would send you a birthday tee if it was available, and I didn't get one in the style one, so it must not have been available in the style, but I got one in this one. And it's Wantable 2022. Celebrating 10 years. Established Milwaukee, no? Established, yeah, Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Who knew? And on the back it says things. It says more heart, more hustle, more grace, more giving, more wit, more wonder, more passion, more living, more daring, more doing, more purpose, more partay. Spelled partay. So it's kind of cute. probably like $30. Here are some, ooh, those feel nice. Here's some leggings, just some black. I think they're like 7/8 leggings, 7/8. No pockets or anything, but they feel really nice. Feel super nice. And then this feels, it feels really nice, but like I'm already really warm up here, so, but this must be like the fall piece. That would be nice for like going out, you know, going on walks and stuff in the evening, because I do like to take my dog for walks. She's getting older, so I can't do real long walks anymore, but there she goes barking again. She says, yes, I can. And then here's some high-waisted blue ones. Those are cute. These ones do have pockets for like your phone or your keys or whatever, so that's real nice. Very stretchy. All right, we'll go over prices and brands at the end. Let's try things on. Here's the first. The leggings are really comfortable. I like the pockets. I don't know. I like the color. The color I think is fine. Pardon me. It does, you know, show the stomach and everything, but everyone has a stomach. It's okay. Here's the back. This is pretty comfortable. It's like nice long line, so I don't know. It might be a little snug through the top, but maybe it won't be if I use it, right? Here's the back again. It does have that crisscross. It's kind of cute. So, maybes. These are maybes. Let's do more. This is not, well, it's, okay, here's the thing. It's really soft. It's really comfy, of course. It's very loose. You know, you're running, you're doing stuff. Ow, you run into the wall. But it's like, I think it's just too big. It's too sloppy. Like, here's the neckline. It's, you know, got that raw edge. It's just, eh. See, here's the raw edge there. It's just kind of blah, especially like the color too, I think makes it just like, it's real neutral, but I think if it were in like a more exciting color, then it wouldn't look like so much of a potato sack. So, this one's a no. Let's do more. I like these leggings a lot more. They just feel more comfortable. Like those ones, the blue ones were nice because they were more like, I feel like they squeezed you in, but if I'm gonna, well, I don't do yoga, but you know, maybe I'll try it. If you guys have any recommendations for like workouts you like on YouTube or like yoga for beginners or anything on YouTube, let me know, comment below. Cause I'm just starting to like look on there. I'm doing like little 3 weight, you know, 3-pound like weightlifting on there. Doing the fitness Marshall, which is like dances and stuff. So let me know. But this is really cute. It's really lightweight. I put it on over the sports bra. The sports bra does feel like, it feels good. Like it feels like it's gonna hold things in, which is what you want. The leggings, I did find a secret pocket right here. It's not big enough for your phone, but like your keys or something, if you needed to put something there, you could. So this is cute. I'll show you the length. These I can't talk. These leggings are the 7/8 leggings as well. So they're really comfy. I think they're nice. I like them. My friend Lisa just got me some from Old Navy though too. I gotta go get. So there's that. But yeah, I like this outfit so far. Let's try on the last 2 tops. Here's the birthday tee. Happy birthday, Wantable. It's okay. You know, it's a tee. It's a t-shirt that says Wantable. Wantable, I like ya. You're not my favorite box, but it's a cute tee. You know, it's a fine t-shirt to work out in or go for walks in or whatever. Be at home in. It's cute. Okay, last top. Here's the last tank. I don't know why I always do this, but here you go. I don't know. Okay, here's the last tank. It's nice and flowy. It's good. You know, like I said, you're doing yoga, you're running, you're dancing, you're doing stuff. It feels nice. You hardly even feel that it's on. The armholes are big. Some people like that. It does have like a nice little scoop on the side. Has the holes in the back, holes in the front, right there, so you can I just shoved so you can see whatever, you know, top you're wearing under it. It has it through here too. Kind of gives it like a little bit of waistlineage, you know, so I think that's cute. I think that's cute and fun. You could wear it even as not an exercise top because the holes are up here. They're not like right across your boobs or anything. I think that's a cute top. That's cute. All right, this one, the yellow top and these black leggings are the keepers in my book, but let's see how much the prices are. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already and you like these kinds of unboxings. Prices, I'm not gonna lie, it's really, really hot up here. Okay, the 10-year anniversary tee in vintage black with white, size large, set by 78 and Sunny, so they got 78 and Sunny to do their tees, which 78 and Sunny, I do like their t-shirts. Sorry you can hear, that's so loud. $36 for that tee. The NOLA crop tank in tangerine slub, size large by Task, T-A-S-C, $38. $38 for that crop tank. I did really like it though. The mood tank in cherry, size large, $48. The Go Walk high-waisted 7/8 leggings in blue gray, size XL by Skechers, $49. The East Side Crew in London Fog XL Fundamental Coast, that sweatshirt, $58. I'm hot. It's fine, I'm hot. Okay, the Full Force bra in Lilac Snake, size 1X by Glider, originally $58. It was on sale for $29, because I forgot to say that that's a keeper too. So gonna keep that for sure. And then the Keep Up 7/8 in black XL by Interval, $50, the black leggings. Whew. I'm hot. All right, we got some deciding to do, as always. So I'm gonna keep the bra. The leggings are $50. I should probably see how the leggings from Old Navy are before I decide on those. But I do really like this. I know it's $38, but I really like it. I think it's cute. I think I'd wear it just as a regular tank top as well. I think that's cute. It's a pretty color. Decisions. Because then, okay, so with Wantable, if you keep 5 or more items, you get 20% off. So I did like 4 things. Well, I liked the blue leggings too, but let me do some math. Hang on. Okay, math. So if I keep both leggings, the yellow top, the red top, and the sports bra, after 20% off, it'd be $170, $120, and then minus my $20 styling fee, so $150, $120, and then I do have $29 in credits, so it'd be $120, $220 for those 5 things plus tax. So that's probably pretty good. That's pretty good for 5 things, you know, for working out and stuff, I think, right? That's pretty good. So like times 0.06, so 7.33. I'm fine. I can do math, okay? I can do math. 7.33. I just have to talk out loud. So 129.53 would be like with the tax for 5 things. Divided by 5. Oh, wait. Hang on. I can do math. Divided by 5. So that makes each thing like 25 bucks. I think I'm gonna do it. I think I'm gonna do it. That was a good active box. I don't think I've gotten an active box with them before. Those 5 things. I think that's pretty good. Okay, I'm gonna do it, you guys. I'm gonna do it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll see you next time.